In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record Shopify payments and other payment processor fees in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential skill for anyone operating an online store, as it helps keep your financial records accurate and up to date. And today, I'm going to guide you through this process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently record your sales and fees, ensuring your QuickBooks reflects your true financial position. To start off, let's discuss the importance of connecting Shopify to QuickBooks Online. Although this first step is optional, it's highly recommended for streamlining your bookkeeping process. Head over to the Apps section in QuickBooks Online where you can search for a Shopify integration app. Options like Shopify by QuickBooks or A2X are popular choices that can automatically sync your sales and fees with QuickBooks Online, saving you a lot of time and reducing the chance of errors. However, if you prefer handling the entries manually, you can skip this step. Just be prepared for a bit more work on your end. Now, let's move on to recording your gross sales. In QuickBooks Online, navigate to the top menu and click on Plus New, then select Bank Deposit. From there, choose the bank account that receives your Shopify payments. It's important to enter the total gross sales amount before any fees are deducted. This ensures you have a clear picture of your business's total revenue. In the account field, ensure you select the appropriate sales or income account that is set up for your business. This categorization is crucial as it determines how your sales data will be represented on your financial statements. The next step is recording the Shopify payment fees, which can often be overlooked. Still in the bank deposit screen, you'll want to add a second line for the fees. This time, enter the fee amount as a negative number. You might also need to record it in the Add Funds to this deposit section with a minus sign. This reflects that the fees reduce the amount of your deposit. In the account field here, choose an expense account. It should be named something descriptive like merchant fees or payment processing fees. If you don't already have such an account, creating a new one will help keep everything neat and organized. Finally, it's crucial to save your work. Before clicking Save and Close, double-check your entries. The calculation is simple. Your gross sales minus the fees should match the net deposit that appears in your bank account. This final cross-check ensures your QuickBooks records are spot on and will save you from headaches during reconciliation or tax time. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to maintaining clear, accurate records of your Shopify transactions in QuickBooks Online. Happy bookkeeping!